and Jade. The ladies, y'all. Make some noise for the ladies, y'all. No. Once again, ladies, make some noise for the ladies. That's right, y'all. They in the house tonight. Representing the other side. Make some noise for Taj and Rash. Taj and Rash, let's go. No switch side, no switch side. Yeah, call them out first. Yeah, exactly, you're right, you are right. Sorry. First side, actually, you are right. I am so wrong. Forgive me, so sorry. My life is stress every day. Join the club. All right, are we ready? No. Are we ready? Okay. DJ IC. Who's gonna go first? Who's gonna go first? Come on!
yo, yippee-yay. And yes, I have fun, but I don't really play. Cause they know we got the style, we got the flow. If you don't know, then get to know what hit the dough. Yippee, yippee-yo, yippee-yo, yippee-yay. And yes, I have fun, but I don't really play. Cause they know we got the style, we got the flow. If you don't know, then get to know what hit the dough. I'm on another galaxy, and I've got bars, yeah, I got a couple galaxies. I'm sick of the controversy, caviar to take the skin off like a tangerine. We make them shake like a tambourine, make the crowd bounce like a trampoline. Now they see what on the ropes, yeah. They hold the breath like the underwater like a submarine.
Just like Leisha, why we have to hot 'em like this? Let it soar in the wind like it's not a damn thing. Now we got 'em like this, so let it soar in the wind, it's not a damn thing. Leisha, why we have to hot 'em like this? Let it soar in the wind like it's not a damn thing. Cause now we got 'em like this, so
yes, yes, moving on, round number 2. Switch, come on. Here we go, switch it up. Come on. Switch, come on. Green. it, y'all. That's it, y'all. Make some noise for the two crews. Come on, Thailand, Estonia, make some noise. We gonna see who's gonna advance to the final. Let's do that count thing again. Pure mathematics, let's go. 1. The winners on the side, make some noise for Luke K and Jane. Also make some noise for Taj and Raj. Okay, we're moving on. Who in the building wants to see some crumb?